This is China Shenyang EMT Piping Technology Company, Limited. We are a professional manufacturer of pipeline cleaning products. The Pig Signaler is our company's hot-selling product. This batch of goods is about to be sold abroad. The production of the product is completed. First, we need to pack the product. After the packaging is completed, it will be packed and fixed to prevent the product from being damaged. We put the documents required by the customer into wooden boxes and then seal the boxes. Next, we need to use equipment to weigh and measure the size of the boxes. Finally, truck loading and delivery.